Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is Chad from Chapman Cars and Tech, and this is my review of the brand new BlackVue DR750 2-channel LTE Dashcam. It is their first dashcam with LTE capability built in one nice package. And what I like about the dashcam so far is I no longer have to provide carrier feeding for this Verizon hotspot. So come and check it out with me. This is the view of the new LTE dashcam installed in the car. If you have any of BlackVue's other products, like the 900 series or the regular 750 series dashcam and some other models, all you have to do is mount the new dashcam in place and all the cables for the power and the rear dashcam will work. After getting the dashcam set up, the next step is to get an LTE connection. And how that works is you get a nano SIM card installed that is prepaid from either AT&T or T-Mobile. So while trying to get everything set up, I came across a few hurdles. The first thing was that they asked for an EID number, and the EID number is actually on the SIM card itself, and I didn't do a good job at explaining that it doesn't come with the SIM card itself. So after we figured that out, the next thing they wanted was an IMEI number, and I looked on the dash cam. For some reason my test unit didn't have an IMEI number, but luckily I did some research and I found instructions how to get over that hurdle. So once I figured that out, went back to the cell phone provider and they were able to get an activated SIM card for me. So for more information for the IMEI number, I will include a link in the description below on how to get that set up. So after getting everything set up at the store, within about 10 minutes I was able to get an LTE connection through the dash cam, and I was able to access it from my phone. Now I'd like to talk about why I became interested in BlackVue's products in the first place, and it's because of their parking mode features. When I got the 900 series dash cam last year, they already had motion and impact detection, and now they've added time lapse, which allows you to have a continuous video of everything going on around your car at all times instead of snapshots of events. So if you want to explore these features more, I will include a link in the description below to help you figure out which feature is right for you. And here is a sample clip of what time-lapse mode looks like. So how BlackVue does this is they have the camera shoot at a rate of 1 frame per second over a 30-minute period, and then repeat the process until the camera shuts off according to one of your battery saver options or the car exit parking mode. So basically has all the same technology specs as the regular 750S dash cam, same resolution, everything. The only thing is it's the added LTE feature. What I really like about BlackVue's products is the cloud feature, and with everything built in the package, that's a big bonus. It does everything that all the other dash cams
cloud connected
have under the BlackVue lineup, but now you don't have to worry about tinkering around with an external hotspot, which I really like because I don't have to keep two devices charged up, and it's going to be very helpful, especially when my battery ages. So there you go. I mean, I didn't really know what the guy's going to do, so that's one reason why I got the dash cam, is for these moments right here. And if something were to happen, I can easily just open up my app and review the video. Or if I need to have it for safekeeping, I can actually download a low resolution video within less than a minute. That way I have something I can easily play back in case I need to like show footage to witnesses or to law enforcement. So when I began testing this dash cam, it didn't take long before I had some kind of footage that was worth capturing. I was going to see what's going on in Virginia Beach. Got stuck on 64 and decided to turn around, and some guy was in an SUV driving on his shoulder, and I think those are moments worth capturing in case you need to hold on to that type of data. Another feature that I like about the dash cam is live view. So that basically just allows you from the app to see what's going on in or around your car while you're away from it. And also it's great for people who manage fleets. So let's say you own a bunch of trucks or work vehicles, and you have BlackVue dash cams in all your vehicles, and you can easily open up the app and see how your employees are doing, and you can also talk to them. You can have a discussion about what's going on. Well, I think it's time to wrap this review up. First of all, I want to thank Maria of BlackVue. She is their social media manager, for giving me an opportunity to test out a really good product. I'm really excited that I have got an opportunity to test it out and make a review for it. Also, this is just one of a series of videos I'll be making with this product. I plan to do a living with a product series and talk about things like how does the data work, and like how the usage is. I have a 10 gig plan, and then I can give some feedback on like, is that enough data? How things change depending on my usage. So I've been working at home, and eventually I'll be going back to work, and I'm interested in seeing how my experience with the dash cam changes once I am driving a lot more often. So if you like this video, please provide some feedback. All good or bad feedback is appreciated. Like it if you like it, and if you want to get more updates about my experience with the DR750 2-channel LTE Dashcam, I suggest you subscribe to the channel. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you next time.